What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now then, in this one I'm going to show you exactly how to replace your cabin or pollen filters on your BMW E65 series. Now then, obviously I have some new cabin filters to replace the existing ones, and I've went with the Crossland filters. Generally pretty good quality, but the thing about these filters, we just unbox them, is that these are the charcoal activated filters. So the charcoal element in them helps to prevent the bad smells and things like that. So if you do have the option whether to get the regular cabin filters or the charcoal activated ones, pay the little bit extra and get the charcoal activated ones because they generally are a bit better. So as you guys may know, there is two filters, one on either side of the engine bay. But without further ado, let's get outside and let's get cracking. Okay then, so here is the engine bay, and obviously depending on which engine you have, the engine bay may look slightly different, but the cabin filters are in the same position regardless of your engine type. Okay then, so as I mentioned, there are two cabin filters and they are located in this box just here and this box just here, and they are very easy to replace on this car. Okay then, so to gain access to the filter on this side, all you need to do is rotate this securing clip, and it is a 13mm nut, and then all you need to do is pull this clip down, and then the entire housing section should come out just like that. And then to remove the filter element itself, you just need to give it a good pull and it'll come out like so. And as you can see, this filter is pretty filled up with pollen and dirt, and so this could definitely do with being replaced. But with this side it is slightly different due to the fact that there is a couple of sensors plugged into the filter housing itself. Same principle though with the nut that you need to turn, and then you just pull down this clip, and then you can not fully remove the housing, but you can just flip it over, leave the sensors plugged in, and go ahead and remove the filter itself. And as you can see, this one is in similar condition, filled up with dirt and pollen. Now then, while the filter housings are removed, it may be a good opportunity now to clean the filter trays out. Yours may look a lot worse than this. It may be full of leaves, and that may actually block the water well down there. That can get stopped up and you can actually get water in your cabin filter. But because mine aren't too bad, I've actually not long recently clean these out. I'm just going to go ahead, install the cabin filters into the housings, and then put the housings back. And then it's pretty easy when it comes to installing the new filters. There should be an arrow on the side of the filter itself to indicate the direction of the airflow. Now as you put the filter in, you want the arrow pointing towards you or pointing up. So as you will see, put the filter in like so. Yeah, that's the filter in place, and that is with the arrow pointing this way, so pointing up, but as we flip this over it'll be pointing down. So we can go ahead and install this now. Clip goes back on, and then we just need to do that securing nut up. There we go. And then the exact same with this side. So you want the arrow pointing up, fit this in place. Like so. And if there is any sensors that have fell out, which this one has, make sure it goes back in place, and we can flip the entire thing over. There we go, just securing that left. There we go, job done. Okay then, so as you saw, a very quick and easy task to complete. You don't need to have any kind of mechanical knowledge to be able to swap these filters out. So don't go ahead and pay the dealership to swap these filters out for you, because you're really just wasting money if you do so. Now, how often should you replace these filters? Now, I'm not too sure how many miles BMW recommends between service intervals, but in my opinion, you should be replacing these every year or two. They're not very expensive. And if you notice you're getting bad smells into the cabins, well, have a look at your filters. If they are blocked up with junk, then it may be a good indicator as to why. But with all that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, because I've got so many more videos to come on the BMW. The videos are never ending, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Peace.